breaks and want to say sorry to the people of the state for what happening till today since last 3rd May.
A feud has begun between Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress over Manipur. It all started when Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh slammed Congress for the ongoing turmoil in the northeastern state. He said that Manipur is in turmoil today because of the past sins committed by the Congress. On Tuesday, CM Biren in a press conference expressed grief for the ongoing conflict in Manipur.
It breaks and want to say sorry to the people of the state for what happening till today since last 3rd May.
Now Congress gets involved. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh questioned CM Biren's statement in a post on social media platform X, saying why Prime Minister Narendra Modi didn't visit Manipur and apologize to the people for the tension. CM Biren Singh responded to Jairam Ramesh's post, saying everyone including yourself is aware that Manipur is in turmoil today because of the past sins committed by the Congress. Further, the Manipur Chief Minister blamed the former Home Minister of India and Congress leader P. Chidambaram that during his tenure, he allowed settlement of Burmese refugees in Manipur and signed the suspension of operations agreement with Myanmar-based militants, which resulted in the turmoil. He even wrote about the Naga-Kuki clashes that resulted in 1,300 deaths in the 90s. This period marked one of the bloodiest ethnic conflicts in Northeast India, deeply affecting the relations between the Naga and Kuki communities in Manipur, the Chief Minister said. Biren Singh questioned whether former Prime Ministers P.V. Narasimha Rao and I.K. Gujral had visited Manipur to apologize for past conflicts, accusing the Congress of politicizing the issue instead of focusing on solutions. Instead of putting efforts to solve the core issues in Manipur, why is the Congress playing politics over it all the time? Biren Singh said in a post on X. The Chief Minister also clarified that his apology was a sincere expression of grief for the displaced people and urging forgiveness. Now the row between both the parties begins. Congress leader Sandeep Dixit on Wednesday demanded the resignation of Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, accusing him of failing to resolve the ongoing conflict in the state.
मुख्यमंत्री खुद दो समुदायों के बीच के झगड़े में उनको बढ़ाते हुए झगड़ों को पाए जाते हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि एक साइड लेकर चल रहे हैं। पूरी प्रशासन को पुलिस से कहा जाता है कि एक समुदाय की मदद करो, एक की नहीं, तो इसमें माफ़ी नहीं बनती है। ये ऐसा मामला है जो माफ़ नहीं किया जा सकता है। और अगर सही में इनको लगता था कि इन्होंने ये कृत्य गलत किए हैं तो इनको इस्तीफा देना चाहिए।
जो अनेकों 84-85 बार राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू किया गया, उसके लिए माफी मांगेगी, या उसके लिए गैस कांड हुआ था उसके लिए कब माफी मांगेगी? जो लोग अत्याचार करने वाले हैं उनके लिए भी प्रेरणादायक है। अपनी गलतियों के लिए अगर उन्होंने गलती की है तो उसके लिए माफी मांगनी चाहिए और बड़ा दिल दिखाना चाहिए।
Since May 3rd, 2023, Manipur has been rocked by ethnic clashes between the Meitei and the Kuki communities. The violence has claimed over 260 lives and displaced around 50,000 people so far.